Exciting news from last Friday. Huawei has just unleashed its brand new foldable wonder, the Huawei Mate X5 in China. This spectacular gadget takes the reins from the Huawei Mate X3, which graced us earlier this year. But hold on to your hats because the hype doesn't end there. The Mate 60 Pro had its own grand reveal a few days back and quickly hit the shelves. Now the Mate X5 has strutted onto the stage. Available for purchase today, just a week after its jaw-dropping announcement. Now, here's the real kicker. When this foldable marvel popped up on Huawei's very own online store, Vmall, last week they played it coy with the pricing. But guess what? The wait is over, and we've got the juicy details on all the different versions and their dazzling price tags. According to our tipster extraordinaire, the Huawei Mate X5 comes in not one, but two versions, the standard and the collector's edition. Get ready to be floored by these prices. Huawei Mate X5 price, 12 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes. Just approximately $1,785, 12 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes. A steal at $1,925, 16 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes. Yours for $2,060. And wait, there's more. Huawei Mate X5 Collector's Edition price, 16 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes. A collector's dream at roughly $2,200, 16 gigabytes plus 1 TB. For the ultimate enthusiasts at $2,335. But that's not all. Huawei is treating customers to a limited-time offer on the Huawei Care Plus annual plan, priced at a mere 999 yen, about $135. With this subscription, you're covered for inner and outer display replacements if the worst happens. And let's talk colors. The Mate X5 dazzles in 5 stunning shades: feather white, feather black, feather gold, green mountain dye, and phantom purple. The latter two sport a luxurious leather back, while the former 3 boast an elegant glass panel. So there you have it, folks. Huawei's latest foldable sensation is here, and it's a showstopper. Don't miss out on this tech extravaganza. And other exciting news. Honor 90 just launched in India with a quad-curved display, a mind-blowing 200 MP camera, lightning-fast 66-day charging, and much more. Curious about the Mate 60 Pro's his Silicon Kirin 9000 chip? We've got you covered with answers to 5 key questions. China's burgeoning middle class has spoken. Huawei is their go-to choice over Apple and Vivo. Plus, Huawei and Xiaomi have joined forces to resolve their patent dispute with a groundbreaking global cross-licensing deal. Lastly, China's iPhone ban has become a double-edged sword, affecting both Huawei and Apple in unexpected ways.